Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are taking a look at a crucial component for maintaining plant protection drones, specifically the T30 model. This is the Replaceable Accessories T30 Distributor Board Module, identified by the part number BC AG.SS000378. It functions as a vital repair part and accessory for these specialized agricultural drones. The distributor board module is essentially the central hub for managing power distribution and signal routing within the drone system. It ensures that power from the battery is efficiently directed to various components like the motors, flight controller, and sensors. When this part fails or is damaged, the drone's operation can be severely impacted, making its replacement necessary to restore full functionality and reliability. A significant aspect of this particular module is that it includes the upward radar component. For a plant protection drone like the T30, the upward radar is an indispensable safety feature. It allows the drone to detect obstacles above it, which is critical when operating near trees, power lines, or other overhead structures in agricultural fields. This sensor helps prevent collisions and ensures safer flight paths, especially during automated missions or when navigating complex environments. The inclusion of this radar on the distributor board module means that replacing the board also ensures the upward obstacle avoidance system is functioning correctly. As a replaceable accessory and repair part, this module is designed to fit directly into the T30 drone frame, allowing technicians or experienced users to swap out a faulty board. The term toy parts in the description might seem unusual for a professional-grade drone component, but it likely refers to its classification within a broader catalog or perhaps highlights its modular, easily replaceable nature, similar to parts found in complex hobbyist equipment. However, its function is strictly professional, supporting the demanding tasks of plant protection. Having a readily available replacement for the distributor board module is essential for drone operators who rely on their T30s for their work. Downtime due to equipment failure can be costly, and being able to quickly replace a key internal component like this board minimizes that downtime. It ensures the drone remains operational, capable of performing its spraying or mapping tasks efficiently and safely. The integrated upward radar further enhances the value of this specific module, combining two critical functions into one replaceable unit. For anyone operating or maintaining a fleet of T30 plant protection drones, having access to genuine replacement parts like this distributor board module is paramount for long-term operational success and safety. It's a fundamental piece that keeps these sophisticated machines flying and performing their vital agricultural duties.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.